Welcome to this video in which we will be discussing the exploded view of our previously made universal coupling. So let's get started. If you want to see the videos of how to make this universal coupling, then you can find the link in the description. So first of all, select this option shown with the black arrow. Then click here and select new exploded view. Select this option and click here at the pin. Then move to the leftward direction and make this distance as 400 millimeter. Click on done. Then select this collar and make this dimension as 400 millimeter again. Then click on done. Now select the other collar, this one. Move it to the left and make this distance as 400 millimeter again. Done. Now it's time to extract the pins. This one. Move it upward like this and make this dimension as 400 millimeter again. This one, move it to the right side and set dimension again as 400. Make sure after every step click on done. Select this one, move it to the left side again, set the distance, make it as 400 millimeter again. Done. And then we are left with this fork. Move it to the right, set this distance 350, and now we are done with every component. Now after that click OK. Expand this bar and then select collapse. Click again explode, click again collapse, click again and select this second option, animate explode. This will automatically expand. We can also play here in animation controller. Collapse again and now go to motion study. Go to settings and set frame as 60. Click OK. Now go to animation wizard and select explode next. And set this duration as 6 and 1. Finish. Now click on calculate. Now go to animation wizard again, but this time select collapse next and set these times as 6 and 8. Set this as 8. Now calculate again. It will collapse. Now play this. It will expand and then collapse. Now go to save animation. Set this to AVI file. And you can set this parameter by yourself. I am setting this frame per second as 60. This is 16:9. The size of this animation is going to be very large. So it's up to you to choose these parameters according to yourself. So this was the whole process of how to use exploded view in SolidWorks and how to create animation in SolidWorks. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.